everybody, good afternoon. This is Jean here from True Love Quilts for You. One of these days I will be quilting, and I'm excited to share with you my True Love Quilting Challenge fabrics that I just received. I had the benefit of, I chose the fabrics from my fabric source, my one fabric source. There are dozens and dozens of, as you have found out, from equilter.com for the True Love Quilting Challenge that is going to be a all-inclusive fun party community quilting challenge that Jen and I have had the idea. Actually, Jen had the idea, I didn't, but I'm going to be doing it. So I ordered my fabrics, and again I say I had the privilege of picking my fabrics and then ordering them straight away. So I got all 6. I do realize I got a flurry of comments saying, I can't find them, they're sold out, they're sold out. And it was so funny because somebody commented they got in touch with eQuilter, and after I had done the video, like who the heck am I? No one, right? I had done the video about this silly challenge, sort of piggybacking off of the idea of the Hoffman challenge, which is an all huge, great big thing. The fabrics were gone. The fabrics that I chose were sold out. I'm like, I'm so sorry. And people were asking me this and that and this and that. And like I said in the beginning, like, choose your own fabrics, but sort of look like that. I don't know. Just so that when it comes down to it, I have a photo reference of what is your fabrics that your 6 fabrics that you've chosen, perhaps only using 5. Remember, you have to use 5 of them, but that I can readily see and identify your fabrics, which is basically 2 prints, an all over, 2 dots and a stripe, as you know from my previous True Love Quilting Challenge. I will be making a playlist. I'm going to be doing that. So from the very beginning thought idea that Jen and I had, I'm going to be making a playlist. Now hopefully this video will be a little bit helpful because I've received my fabrics. I'm taking a picture of them, and I'm going to be sharing with you the actual information on the selvage edge. The eQuilter did not, or maybe they did in the heavy duty description, but I didn't share with you the fabric manufacturer's information. I didn't have that, or I didn't see it, or I didn't look at it, or whatever. But I have it now. I'm going to put my camera down and I'm going to show you the information of each of the fabrics that I got, and give you a close-up of the fabrics all together. I was wondering, I'm like, are they going to look okay? I quite like them. Would I have chosen them? Probably not. Because as I was saying, there's like, what, a million fabrics to choose from. They're all from different fabric manufacturers. As I was saying before, the Hoffman challenge, quilting challenge, it's from one fabric manufacturer. And you know, the big wigs and the executives at Hoffman say, oh, we're going to choose this fabric line. It's easy. And they have literally maybe hundreds of thousands of yards of fabric, whereas maybe you're going to have to hunt and search for the fabrics if you want to find them, or hopefully something very similar. That's all. So I'm excited. It's going to be a challenge, even though I chose basically red. There is some blue there, and as I said, people who maybe not like the burgundies and the reds, there's enough blue, or there's enough yellow, just a little tip, that you could really take it to a whole different level of your blues or your yellows or your golds. You don't necessarily, I mean, I see red. Sorry, folks. I see red, but I could also, if I squint, I could see blue. So again, the 5 fabrics, and then flesh it out with whatever other fabrics that you choose. And it's so exciting. I have yet to put on my thinking cap. I'm a little bit brain dead. And I got them, and I'm thinking, what in the world am I going to make? I don't know what I'm gonna make. I have not a clue, but it'll be exciting. It'll be exciting. So I'm gonna put my camera down, and I'm gonna show you my fabrics, and yeah, we'll go from there. So again, as always, all the best and love from the True Loves. All right, bye bye, folks. folks, I've received my challenge fabrics and I've put them in order here. And I wanted to share with you some information because I know that a lot of you were having a difficult time getting these fabrics from my source, which was at that point equilter.com, which you know I like to get them. And I was saying to you, oh my goodness, just substitute a burgundy print and a rainbow and a dot and another dot and a stripe. But what I have here, I just received them. I just opened the packages up, and I just wanted to show you the fabrics up close. I like them all together. I'm going to put them together for you, but I wanted to just share with you the actual information on the selvage, okay? So if you haven't gotten them and you want to do a little bit of hunt and peck and look around, the thrill is in the hunt. The burgundy print, Awaken the Day by Jim Shore. It's by Bernitex, LLC. That's www.bernitex.com. It's 100% cotton print. The style number is 7586. And that is this little paisley, burgundy-ish maroon with little yellow, blue, green paisleys. The next one, the focal fabric that I sort of chose this sort of print, is very pretty. It has the blues, the greens, sort of the peachy pinks and the oranges. It's called Blooming Paisley by Art Loft for Studio E fabric. 100% cotton print, www.studioefabrics.net, and that's pattern number 5603. Okay, they're my first two fabrics. My next fabric is just a modeled rainbow batik, which does not have anything on the selvage, but that would probably be fairly easy to replicate in a batik, and just a pretty batik. My fourth fabric that I had chosen was a red and white dot. Now this is from Fabric Traditions. It's a 2013 print. I don't know who it's from. This is all the information on the selvage. Copyright capital N dot capital T dot Inc. I'm not quite sure who that's from. Fabric Traditions. That's all the info on that selvage. And then the fifth fabric I've chosen is this, reads like a dot, rainbow dot from a distance. This is fabric called 100 Years, created by Andover Fabrics. It's a 2020 pattern, 9793, www.andoverfabrics.com. And it has little hearts, but again, from a distance, that just reads a rainbow print. And then my last is a lovely stripe, and all the information on that selvage is at Elizabeth's, or around Elizabeth's studio, pattern number 313, and that's it. But these are my original fabrics that I had chosen, that again, as I say, I'm very sorry a lot of you are having a bit of a difficult time getting them, but those are the challenge fabrics. Now again, I may or may not be using all 6 of them. I may pull out one and then supplement my fabrics with some other fabrics in my stash to whatever I'm going to be doing. So here are the fabrics in sort of order, what I have chosen. And if you look at them, I think they're quite interesting, considering I sort of chose them just blind off of the website. Then my burgundy print, my larger print, this rainbowy print, the 2 dots, and the nice stripe. Again, if I just choose to eliminate one of them or use all of them, I can figure something out and add to it. Oh, I really quite like them. I think they look nice together. Again, considering they're not from the same fabric manufacturers, I quite like it, because the burgundy has the burgundy here and the burgundy there, and the red, the burgundy, and the small here. This blue, I could capitalize on the blue if I wanted to. This blue has the blue here, the blue here, the blue dot there, and the blue there. So that's how I look at fabric. A lot of people say, how do you choose fabrics? You might never have put these colors together. But therein lies the challenge. I see yellow here, the yellow's there, sort of a lighter color here, brighter yellow there, the yellow dot, and the yellow and the gold and the orange is there. So to my mind, they go together, but it will be a challenge to put them together. So that's exciting, folks. There are my challenge fabrics for the True Love. so that I will know what exactly is your fabric that you have pulled. Whether you choose to use all 6 is up to you, or whether you're fleshing it out with something from your stash. But I will need to see, when I go to, quote, judge them, or to see the finished product at the end of the day in March, what is your burgundy, what is your dot, what is your stripe, that look. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I hope that information I gave you, if you're hunting for the fabrics, proves valuable. And yeah, I will check back on you again. All right, folks, happy quilting. Love from the True Loves. Bye-bye.